Hi everyone, welcome to the complete SPSS master course. If you are a bachelor, master or PhD student, then this course is designed especially for you. In this course, I will teach you SPSS for absolute beginner level to advanced research analysis in the simplest possible way. You don't need any previous knowledge of statistics or SPSS. By the end of this course, you will be able to analyze your own research data confidently and independently. Let me ask you one question. Have you ever downloaded SPSS, opened it, and then closed it because you had absolutely no idea where to start? Or maybe you copied someone else's analysis without understanding what you were doing. If your answer is yes, then don't worry. After this course, that confusion will completely disappear. My name is Dr. Shehbaz S, and for several years I have been teaching research methodologies, statistics, SPSS software, smart PLS, and data analysis to bachelor, master, and PhD scholars. Thousands of students have successfully completed their research using these methods, and now I am bringing the same practical training on YouTube for free. So, today lecture is the foundation of the entire course. I will show you the easiest and fastest way to convert Excel data into SPSS without making common mistake. So, what will we learn in this course? We will learn data import, encoding, data cleaning, missing values and outliers, descriptive statistics, t-test, ANOVA, correlation, regression analysis, reliability and factor analysis. So, now the foundation of the course start from the importing Excel data into SPSS. So let's start from Excel importing to SPSS. So we will click on File button, and then we will see the Open Data. Now, before selecting the data, we need to see which format our data contain. So basically, if we have a data on SPSS extension, then we will select SPSS SEV extension. If we have data in Excel format, then we will select Excel format, right? So then I will select my data set. So I have selected respondents from Bangladesh. So worksheet, basically my data set has only one sheet, so that is why it shows only one. If there are more than one worksheet, so then it shows different sheets, so you need to select one of them. If you want to do analysis on first sheet, then you will select only one, right? So then I will click on OK. So congratulations, you can see I have successfully uh, converted Excel data into SPSS. Thank you for watching my video.